Social media posting is not the social media marketing. This is one of the most common myths among all of those people who are actually running their social media pages on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, and for any purpose like selling their e-commerce products or selling their services to business or even for their personal branding. They think that they just keep posting on social media every day, and after 1 or 2 weeks their posts get viral and they can get a lot of followers or subscribers within just 1 or 2 weeks. But that is not the case. The reality is different. If you're a social media marketer or influencer or running social media pages and you want to actually grow your social media, then you need to understand their algorithm, like how this system works, how to get your post viral, how to get more followers. And to do all of this, you must need to understand the system and then create a strategy. And as per that strategy, you need to implement that strategy every day and keep working on your goal as per that strategy with consistency. Because if you understand the types of posts that you can actually post on social media, and then you understand the science of engagement, like what kind of posts you can actually make so you can actually get good engagement from your followers or subscriber, so only then you will be able to scale on your social media business. So in this short video, I'm going to explain you each and everything about growing on social media. Like I'll explain all of the tips, tricks and strategies which you can learn and implement on your social media platforms so you can actually grow fast and you can actually make a lot of money. So this video is free, so all you have to do is keep on watching this video completely till the end, step by step, so you can actually learn that, implement that and become successful in your social media career.
But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start.
Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and here I have just opened all of the popular social media platform on which you can actually post your content properly and you can actually grow and get a lot of traffic and build a great audience for your business. So here I open Pinterest, and on Pinterest search engine I have just searched a keyword affiliate marketing. And I just did the same on Instagram, like I have opened Instagram and searched hashtag affiliate marketing. And I did the same for YouTube affiliate marketing, for TikTok affiliate marketing and for Facebook affiliate marketing. So basically the strategy is that if you're posting your content on social media, if you're growing your business on social media, then you must need to take the help of all of these platforms. Like if you're only posting on Instagram, then in that way you cannot grow or you cannot scale your business. If you want to really grow and scale your business, the first step is to create your account and create your pages on all of these 5 social media platforms, which is Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. And right after signing up on all of these social media platforms, the second step is to learn what type of content you can actually post on all of these platforms. Like you can see that this is Pinterest, and on Pinterest you can actually post pins. So basically pins are actually a kind of posts that are in this vertical shape. You can see that these are all of those pins. So basically on Pinterest you're having only 3 options. Number 1 is image pin, number 2 is video pin and number 3 is boards. So here you can see that I have just searched a keyword on Pinterest which is affiliate marketing, and here I can see many of the pins here. And if I click on any of the pin, so here you can see that this is the pin and this is a page which I've actually posted that pin. This is the title, this is the description and here is the link. And if I click on that link, I will be land on their landing page or on their website. So in that way, they're actually posting pins on their page, and from all of those pins, they're actually building their audience, targeting their actual audience which can purchase their product or which can help them in grow their business. And from those pins, they are actually navigating all of those followers to their website or to their social media page. So the more pins they will post, the more followers they will get and the more traffic they will get on their website. And from that website or landing page, they can actually sell their services, they can actually sell their products or even sell their training or whatever they want to sell. So this was the first type of post which you can actually post on Pinterest, which is image pin. So now go back and see how video pins look like. So for that we just need to click on this videos, and here we can see some video pins for Pinterest. So as you can see here, this is a pin. The size is the same as the photo pin, but this is actually a video. So when I click on that video, so here you can see that I can display that video. and this is basically a video pin. So now you are already aware about two types of content which you can post on Pinterest, and that is the video pin and the image pin. So now let's move on to the second platform, which is Instagram. So first we need to understand all of those platforms and what type of content we can actually post on all of those platforms. Then we can discuss the strategy, like what strategy we can make so we can do the less of the work and we can actually post massive content on all of those social media platforms. Like you only need to do the work once and you can actually post the same content on all of those platforms. Like for example, if you create a pin for the Pinterest, you can actually post the same pin on the Instagram, on YouTube, or even on Facebook by just changing the size of that post. And the same goes for Instagram Reel, TikTok videos, and YouTube Shorts. So we will discuss that later in this video. So as you can see here, I'm on Instagram, and on Instagram I have just searched hashtag affiliate marketing, and I can see many of the posts on the Instagram which are related to affiliate marketing. So if I go up and down and I find any of the posts which is having good engagement, and I click on that post and click on that page which is showing that kind of post, so then I will be able to land on that particular page. So you can see that this is a random page which I have just navigated from Instagram by just searching hashtag affiliate marketing, and from this page I can see there are 40.8k followers, which is a huge amount of following. And if I go down, I can see this page is basically posting Instagram posts. Like these are the posts which is having the dimension of a square, like 40 by 40 pixels, 50 by 50, or so on. So as you can see here, these are square posts, and on Pinterest these are rectangular posts which are called pins. So basically these are the kind of posts which are pictures, not the videos. But just like Pinterest we can see video pins, on Instagram we can see video reels. And if you see on the left side, you can see the reel button here. So if I click on reels here, then I will be able to see the reels. So basically these are video content, and I can just find video content for the affiliate marketing as well. So as you can see here, the reels are the kind of videos or the kind of posts which are having very good engagement. You can see that 859 are the comments and 712k are the likes. So basically if you want to get a massive following on social media, you must need to focus on both type of content, the image content and the video content. And if you create an engaging video content for your page which your audience will like, and you post the same content on every platform, like on Pinterest as video pin, on Instagram as video reel, and on YouTube as video short. So you can actually create the content once and post the same content on all of those platforms, so you can actually get more and more audience with the same content created once. So these are the two type of content which you can post on Instagram, a picture post and a video reel. So now move on to the third platform, which is YouTube. So here you can see that on YouTube I have searched affiliate marketing, and I can see two type of content. Number one is long video. You can see that this video is 16 minutes long, and if I go down I can see these short video. So basically these short video are having length 1 minute or less than 1 minute, and this content is just the same like Instagram reel or video pins on Pinterest. So you can see that the dimension of these kind of video are same. And if you want to know the dimension, I can just go on Google and just type Instagram Reels dimension. So here I can see this is a dimension of these kind of content, and if you search for these dimensions for YouTube Short, for Instagram Reel, or even TikTok, so you can find that the dimension of all of this content is same. That means you can actually create these kind of content once, and you can actually post the same content on all of those platforms, and it will hardly take you 2 to 3 minutes to post the same video on different platforms with the same keywords, same title and same description. So in that way you have to do the less effort creating the content once, and you can actually get more and more audience with the same content. So now let's move on to the fourth platform, which is TikTok. So here you can see that on TikTok you can actually post the videos like Instagram Reels or YouTube Short, but unfortunately you cannot post your pictures on TikTok for now. But maybe in future TikTok can allow you to post your pictures as well, so that would be a great idea for you. So you can actually repost your pins or Instagram picture on TikTok as well. So here you can see that on TikTok I have searched the same keyword affiliate marketing, and if I scroll down I can just find many of the videos regarding that particular topic. So now let's quickly move on to our last platform, which is Facebook, and then after understanding all of those platforms and all of those content type, I'll explain you how you can actually create your strategy and how you can actually get the idea for your content, plan your content and keep posting on all of those platforms regularly by doing very less effort, so you can actually grow on your social media platform within 1 or 2 months. So let's move on to the Facebook, and here you can see that I have searched affiliate marketing, and on the left side if I click on post I will be able to see picture post, and if I click on video I will be able to see the reels. So let's just click on post. So here you will be able to see posts regarding affiliate marketing. So basically the same thing works for Facebook. Like there are basically two kind of posts. Number one is picture post, which is also called photo post, and number two is video post. And the size for the post here is the same as Instagram. Like if you post one reel on Instagram and you connect your Facebook page from your Instagram page, so that same reel will get posted on Instagram and on Facebook as well. So now, as at this point, you have complete knowledge about all of those social media platforms which you can use to grow on social media, and you are completely aware about all of those type of content which you can actually post on all of these social media platforms. So now the third step is to find out which kind of content you can create, and the answer of that question is, if you're working on any niche, like you're selling your products on social media, you're working on your personal branding, or you're creating make money online videos, you can just find out some pages on social media platform like TikTok, YouTube or Instagram, and you can actually follow all of those pages, and you can actually keep watching the videos for those pages for at least 1 or 2 days. And after watching all of those videos, you will be able to get a ton of content ideas from all of those pages. Like if these content creators are from your niche and they are actually creating those videos which are having good engagement and views, that means you can actually watch all of those videos and try to find out like how they are creating videos, like what kind of sentence they are actually speaking in the first 5 seconds of their video, because the first 5 seconds of your video will be the hook of your video that can actually hook your audience and make them watch the complete video till the end. So right after exploring all of those pages, you can actually get a ton of content ideas for you, so you can actually recreate all of those content and start posting all of those content regularly on all social media platforms. So if you want to make a strategy, you can just open all of those platforms one by one, and you have to post on all of those platforms regularly. For example, if you decide to post one video regularly and one picture post regularly, so basically there are 7 days in a week, you can just sit on any one day of the week and create 7 picture posts and create 7 video posts, and then you can just schedule all of those posts for each day of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So in that way, if you work only for 3 to 4 hours in one day a week, and you create 7 picture posts and 7 video posts and schedule all of those posts for all of those social media platforms, and then if you keep this practice regularly for at least 2 or 3 months, then believe me guys, after 2 or 3 months, you will be able to see a massive growth on all of your social media platform in terms of views, engagement and following. So if you learn and understand the type of content which all of these social media platforms allow you to post on their platforms, and then after understanding the type of content, you actually create those type of content and schedule all of those content on all of those pages on all of those social media platforms, and you keep posting regularly for at least 2 or 3 months, then you will be able to actually grow on social media and make a lot of money out of that.
So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.